guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust the pixel size when you pixelate something on CapCut PC. So go ahead and go to the effects section and you're just going to type in mosaic because the pixel one doesn't really exist. You're going to then select it and you're going to add it to your video, and here is where you can adjust the pixel size. So if you slide it to the right, the pixel size will be a little bit bigger, and if you blur it and move it to the left side, it will make the pixel size smaller, but that's the only smallest it can go. I don't know what it'll happen if I added another one. I don't think it's gonna work to make it smaller. It's going to be the same. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!